conditions drivers face day to day and stop to stop are rarely ideal. Fast-paced with rigorous heavy lifting, your delivery team is exposed to the extremes of the job as well as Mother Nature. For many, this means extreme heat, with temperatures rising in open and exposed cab environments reaching in excess of 120 degrees. These drivers face unsafe environments with air conditioning, which was never meant to cool a cab with the doors open, stop after stop. That's why we designed the Rapid Cooling System. Focusing on cooling the driver, the airflow delivered can cool a driver from 105 degrees to 72 degrees in less than 5 minutes. Running non-stop, the unit provides instant relief to your most valuable asset, the men and women that deliver the goods. The Rapid Cooling System can be installed in new and existing vehicles in hours, not days, and on-site, indoors or out, limiting vehicle downtime and providing proven productivity gains in no time. Compatible with all factory walk-in van air systems, this is the ideal solution to provide safety and comfort for your team, to ensure that when they step into the driver's seat, they're ready to get the job done.